So yeah, hey, what's up everyone? So we're on our day 10 of our grade 1 kanji learning in Japan. Alright, so first up today we have kanji for woman or female. Alright, related kanjis are joshi, which means woman or girl, and then josei, that's feminine gender or female. You mostly see this in like restrooms. And we also have a third example, which is kanojo, which is girlfriend. Or if you're speaking to someone and you want to refer to a woman, you say she or her, and that's kanojo in Japanese. Alright, so second we have little or small, and the first kanji would be chisai, which means small or tiny. And second example would be shogakko, and that's elementary school in Japan. And that elementary school, we're studying the grade 1 kanji for this 20-day challenge. Thank you for watching, okay? I really appreciate it, guys. Alright, so third is what we have up, which is ue, above, or second example would be ijo, not less than, or nothing further to say. Now mostly in meetings they say それで以上です. That means I have nothing more further to say. Alright, so fourth kanji would be mori, which means forest or woods. Right, that's mori. Mori also is like a name of a person, so you might be able to see this from time to time, Mori-san. Alright, let's turn to our examples. Example number 1, 彼女は森に行きました, which means the woman or the lady went to the forest. Woman or lady went to the forest. Alright, and this is most likely probably most used example, or probably most used verb or sentence here. So この小さい本を机の上に置いてください. Oh, sorry, I forgot the kanji or the furigana for kudasai, but that's kudasai, okay? And that's in English, please place this small book on top of the table. Alright? Tsukue no ue is on top of a table. Alright? This chisai hon wa, that is the small book, or this small book. Kono chisai hon, this small book. Alright? Place is oite. Alright, and that's our 10th day learning kanji here in Japan. That's grade 1. Thank you for watching.